Good afternoon, this is Dennis Gerard with Guarantee RV here in Junction City, Oregon. We're going to look at this 2020 Thor 4 Winds 24F today. I want to show you a great floor plan in kind of a shorter coach. I know many of you customers will mention you like something a little shorter. This one has the length, but it also has nice interior storage, sleeping, and seating. So to go around the coach, this is on the E350. One of the things this has that I like a lot is it has exterior mirrors built right into the exterior cameras built right in the mirrors here in the corner. If you bump the turn signal, for instance, you bump your right turn signal, this will come on, you'll be able to look right back down the side and see if somebody's coming. Electric powered awning. Rotocast storage bay. Beauty of Rotocast, of course, is impervious to moisture. Larger Rotocast storage bay. Ladder to access the roof. Additional storage here in the back driver's side corner. And this one, as you can see, has really nice room to it. Our black and gray tank holding dumps here below. Our black tank flush right above it. Additional storage here. Nice, good size compartment. Down below here we have, that's going to be the LP tank. Then we're going to have another storage compartment, and we're going to have our generator, our 4 kW awning gas powered generator. So this does come with slide out topper. As we go around the inside, full fiberglass front cap. As we go inside, you can see this is set up. We can add solar panels very easily. The controller there is pre-wired. As we will look through the coach, nice deep sink. Pull out for the kitchen. 3-burner cooktop with range cover. Just kind of flips back out of the way. One nice thing, you've added nice night lighting here. Oven. Storage. 3 drawers and additional storage here. Pull-outs. Nice deep pull-outs. Double door RV style refrigerator with storage above. Our bathroom is here in the corner. Nice sized bathroom. On the other side here we have our queen bed. It's a folding queen bed when the slide out's in. But does have a TV here at the foot. 3 overhead doors above. USB ports there on the rear side. Because it's a full wall slide out, we have nice room here in the wardrobe. Very deep wardrobe. Not only do we have hanging in the front, we have additional shelving in the back. 2 drawers with 2 doors below. Here's our trash can. That actually belongs over here in the galley. So we'll put it back where it's supposed to go. Well, it's not supposed to go there, I guess. Dinette with a pull-out. 3 doors above. Of course, on the Class C, we have, this makes into a nice sized bed, really the largest bed in the unit. Ladder for access, and the netting. If you got kids that are kind of rolling around in their sleep, help them keep them in place. So again, on the Ford E350, so Ford V10 with a 6-speed. Unit's going to perform nicely and do a good job for you and your family as you take a great trip. But give us a call, please. Dennis Gerard with Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon. Thank you.